Hey guys, my name is Garrett Smalley.
And I'm Angeline Kabakub.
Today we're at a California Pinners convention showing off the latest VersaStudio products.
We have some really cool activations here at the show, including this honey jar application that you can make and take at the show.
At the show we have 3 machines on display, the BN-20A, BN-220A, and the all-new VD8 UV printer. Having a great time showing off these products.
Yo, what's up? This is Red Foo, and I'm at the Roland booth at Pinners. And they printed me party rocking as a surprise. Now I gotta get one of these printers. Yeah, baby, party rock!